Alright, I think I got everything. By the way, I finished that ham dimmer. I had to sit down over there for a little while just to, well, you know. You ever watch them old Alka-Salsa commercials? I felt like that. But now I'm back after it. Little Miss out there vacuuming out her sister's car, which I thought was a nice thing to do. I gotta cover this thing up with a tarp real good now and wheel it outside. I hate to do that, but I've got no choice. I ain't got enough room in here. And then we need to pull that Suburban in and put it up on the lift. Or wait, I gotta get them broke off bolts out of that motor first. Hey, what are you doing? I just cleaned that off.
You said to put them there.
Doggone it. Alright, at some of y'all's suggestion, I welded on a washer on the broke off stud and then the nut. And look here. What? And that one was in there a good 3/16 or so of an inch. Now, right after you get done welding this, you don't never want to put your fingers on it and turn it the rest of the way out. Because it gets hot. Mm-hmm.
Do as I say, not what I do?
Yeah. You never heard me say that before, have you?
Nope.
Alright, we're good. Alright, this here one is sticking out quite a bit, so I think I can just stick the nut on, weld it like so, and be good. Front one's the same way. So I'm gonna stuff a piece of rag up in the hole so I don't get little pieces of metal in there and do that. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, that was a real good idea, but it didn't work. So now let me weld a washer on it. Alright, that time I welded a washer and a nut. Let's see if that works. Well, that started turning real easy. I think it works better because it lets you get more penetration. Also, it concentrates more heat on the bolt, which makes it expand more. And those are aluminum heads in a steel bolt. You know, sometimes that stuff corrodes together a little bit. So, I think we're good. Alright, I don't know if using the washer is the absolutely right way of doing it, but I only used to weld the nut on. I'd have to do it 2 or 3 times, and every time I welded a washer on, it come out the first time. So I don't know. It's only the first day of research, and we try to require, you know, studies and research, and maybe I could get a grant or something. Alright, I think the engine is ready to put in the Suburban. We're ready to do that LS swap now. So we got to put the welder away, clean up all this stuff, set the engine down right there, or there, and wheel the Suburban in, put it up on the lift, and get to crack-a-lacking. It's like 4 or 5 in the evening, so I don't think that clock works. No, sir. Anyways. We'll go till I run out of energy, or she runs out of energy.
Shake! Harley, shake! Good boy! He's a good boy. Shake! Shake! Good boy! You did it!
You know, he ain't much help out here.
No, he's not.
Anyways, we got this behemoth up on the lift. And I'm going to go underneath and undo some stuff. At least till I run out of energy. We got troubles, girl.
What are they?
This is apparently the only deep 15mm socket I have in my possession. And I have just broke it. See that? Trying to get the crossover off the exhaust manifolds. And I had to use an adapter to run my 1/2-inch impact because they're so tight. And I broke it. So, looks like I can't do nothing else. I got sockets galore. I even broke into my stash of spare sockets. And there ain't no deep 15mm socket to be had nowhere. So girl, guess what we're going to have to do?
What?
We're going to have to call her a day till I buy some sockets. Or a socket.
Where's the socket? 15 millimeter.
It's shallow. I need a deep. That's alright though. We got more days in front of us. I'm tired anyways.
We have a lot of them in front of us.
If you want to know the truth of it, I'm kind of glad it broke. I'm tired. Alright, I'm not going to make you ring the bell because it ain't the end of the video. But you can ring it if you want to. Go ahead.
One ring.
Alright.